Fall protection, personal fall arrest systems. Personal fall arrest systems, or PFAS, save lives when they are used correctly. Today you will learn employer and employee requirements, the parts of a PFAS, the types of damage to look for on the PFAS, and what to do when there is damage to the PFAS. Note, fall protection is broken into 3 categories: guardrails, safety nets, and personal fall arrest systems. Employer requirements. Employers must provide equipment free from damage. They must verify that authorized employees inspect their PFAS every 8-hour shift. They must verify competent employees perform PFAS inspections at least once per year. Employee requirements. Employees must inspect their equipment before each use. PFAS must be used according to manufacturer specifications, and they must be stored correctly.